Electricity is a powerful and essential resource that powers our homes, workplaces, and devices. However, it also poses significant risks if not handled properly. Electrical hazards can lead to severe injuries, fires, or even death, making it crucial to understand these risks and take preventive measures. In this blog, we'll explore the most common electrical hazards, their potential dangers, and practical tips to minimize the risks. Common electrical hazards. Electrical shock. Electrical shock occurs when a person comes into direct contact with a live electrical source. The severity of the shock depends on the voltage, the duration of contact, and the path the current takes through the body. Even low-voltage shocks can cause injuries, while higher voltages can lead to cardiac arrest, severe burns, or death. Overloaded circuits. Overloading a circuit occurs when too many electrical devices or appliances are connected to a single circuit, causing the circuit to draw more current than it's designed to handle. Overloaded circuits can overheat wires, leading to insulation damage, sparking, or even electrical fires. Faulty wiring. Damaged, frayed, or poorly installed wiring is a major source of electrical hazards. Worn-out insulation, exposed wires, and loose connections can all result in electrical fires or shocks. Older homes or buildings with outdated wiring are especially at risk of electrical hazards caused by faulty wiring. Wet or damp conditions. Water is an excellent conductor of electricity, and any contact between electricity and water can result in electrical shock. Wet areas such as kitchens, bathrooms, basements, and outdoor spaces pose higher risks of electrical hazards. Electrical equipment used in these areas must be properly grounded and protected against moisture. Improper use of electrical equipment. Using electrical equipment for purposes it wasn't designed for, or in ways that exceed its specifications, can cause serious hazards. This includes using appliances with damaged cords, plugging high-wattage devices into low-rated outlets, or using tools in hazardous environments without proper protection. Extension cords. Misusing extension cords, such as overloading them or running them through high-traffic areas, can create serious electrical hazards. Extension cords should never be used as a permanent wiring solution, and they need to be the correct gauge for the load they carry. Arc faults. An arc fault occurs when electricity jumps between faulty or broken wires, creating heat that can ignite surrounding materials. Arc faults are a leading cause of electrical fires in homes and can go unnoticed until it's too late. Electrical burns. Direct contact with live electrical parts can cause serious burns, even if no visible shock occurs. Electrical burns damage tissues and organs beneath the skin, requiring medical treatment. Preventing electrical hazards. Preventing electrical hazards requires a proactive approach, both in terms of maintenance and daily usage. Here are practical tips for reducing the risk of electrical accidents. Install ground fault circuit interrupters. GFCIs. GFCIs are designed to shut off electrical circuits when they detect that current is flowing along an unintended path, such as through water or a person. Installing GFCIs in areas prone to moisture, e.g., bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor outlets, can significantly reduce the risk of shock. Avoid overloading circuits. To prevent circuit overloads, limit the number of high-powered devices plugged into the same circuit. Spread appliances across multiple outlets, and consider upgrading your electrical system if you frequently trip breakers or blow fuses. Inspect and replace damaged cords. Regularly inspect electrical cords for signs of wear, fraying, or exposed wires. Replace any damaged cords immediately, as they can easily cause fires or electrical shocks. Additionally, avoid running cords under rugs or furniture, as this can cause overheating. Keep electrical devices away from water. Never use electrical devices near water, and ensure all electrical equipment in wet areas is properly grounded. In case of flooding or water leaks, turn off the power at the breaker before handling electrical devices. Use the right extension cords. When using extension cords, make sure they are rated for the intended use. Avoid overloading extension cords and unplug them when not in use. Never use them as a permanent solution to wiring needs, and make sure cords used outdoors are weather resistant. Hire a licensed electrician for repairs. Electrical work should always be carried out by a licensed electrician. Attempting DIY electrical repairs can be extremely dangerous if you don't have the proper knowledge or tools. Professional electricians can identify and fix wiring issues before they become serious hazards. Upgrade outdated wiring. Older homes with outdated electrical wiring may not meet modern safety standards. If your home is more than 30 years old, have an electrician inspect the wiring system to ensure it's safe. Consider upgrading the wiring to prevent potential hazards. Install arc fault circuit interrupters. AFCIs detect arc faults and shut down the circuit before a fire can start. Modern building codes often require AFCIs in certain rooms, such as bedrooms, but they can be installed in any circuit to provide extra protection against electrical fires. Conclusion: electrical hazards are entirely preventable through diligent maintenance, safe practices, and increased awareness. By understanding common risks such as overloaded circuits, faulty wiring, and improper equipment usage, you can take proactive steps to protect your home or workplace. Installing safety devices like GFCIs and AFCIs, regularly inspecting cords and appliances, and educating yourself and others about safe electrical practices are crucial measures. Prioritizing electrical safety not only ensures compliance with regulations but also fosters a culture of responsibility, ultimately creating a safer environment for everyone and reducing the risk of dangerous incidents.